Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel once again with another video. Today we will learn how to make a realistic ocean in Blender. So first of all, we will hide these two objects, camera and light. Select this object cube, go to modifier tab, add modifier physics and ocean like this. You will see a model of an ocean. Now make little bit changes in settings, resolution to 16, time to 2, waves change scale to 2 like this. Now we'll again come to time, and here there is a magic like press hash frame /5. Now you will see a magic and press spacebar. Here you will see a ocean like model. So now come to material, add material base color, change ocean like watercolor, go to material preview, again change like this. That's good. Metallic, little bit changing in metallic like this. That is good. I think that is much better. Again changing in roughness and come to transmission back to 1. Now you will see a realistic ocean. So guys, you will like this video. Hope you will like this video. If like, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.